What's going on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok? This is Michael, the owner of Trushine Cleaning, out here in the South St. Louis area cleaning some carpet. Only doing 2 rooms. Carpets are in great condition, so I'm going to do some low moisture cleaning. I can't really do anything about that spot right there. It's like a bleach spot, a color spot. I'm out here, it's a little late right now, so out here 9 o'clock. Don't usually do late in the night jobs like this, but my timing just trying to fit this customer in right now. So I came out here about a week ago and tried to come out here and do it, but the guy who hired me did not leave the lockbox because he thought the entry to this building would be unlocked. So I came out here for no reason about last week. So they got somebody moving in tomorrow, so I'm trying to get it done tonight. So like I say, I'm doing some low moisture cleaning, so carpets to be dry within probably about an hour once I'm done. So I'm about to get ready to start pre-vacuuming and see if I pull up any loose debris. It doesn't really look like too much is on the carpet, so I do have an empty canister, so I'm going to try to do both of these rooms on a full video without doing any cutting and editing in between, so bear with me. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna stop it there on that room and let's see how much debris was picked up. It's not much. It's not much. Like I say, the carpet is not bad at all. So didn't think a lot of debris was gonna come up, but little spots right there. See what it looks like. Yeah, still not a lot of debris. Phone focus. Yeah. Still not a lot of debris, so I'm gonna get ready to go around all the borders and everything. So everything's cleaned up pretty good. Like I say, I'm going to be end capping this with low moisture cleaning. I got my end cap cleaner in there now, so show you guys the cleaning process. All right, you guys. Started the bonnet cleaning low moisture process of the carpet. As you can see, I wrung it out already. I done that room already. I'm working on this one, so I'm recording a little late, but show you guys this process. All right, you guys. About to get ready to flip that pad over. It did have a lot of little spots that's there that I noticed. Everything lighting up pretty good. So what I like to do is I like to go over it, the whole floor one time on one side, then flip it over. And then if I need to wring the pad out, I will do that. Sometimes I don't. Sometimes I only need to go over it one time with just one pad when I flip it over, but really just depends on the condition. So I'm definitely going to go over this area again and finish this room. Show you guys the after results when I'm done. I don't do this cleaning method often, but I am up on the 3rd floor, and plus it's kind of late, so I didn't want to run my machine right now. It's it's loud, and I didn't want to disturb anybody's, sleep or anything. So still getting great results with the Bonnet pad, but I don't use this cleaning method often. All right, so guys, I finished up with those other 2 rooms of carpet, so I moved to the next one. I was actually right over there at that apartment right there. Then just came right over to over the courtyard. So now I'm getting ready to start cleaning this one. I've already vacuumed this room. Also. And wish I would have got a good video of it. By the look of it, it did not look soiled. But I pulled up a lot of dry soil when I vacuumed. Actually had to vacuum it twice. And I'm not vacuuming it. So I had to go dump it and everything. So I wish I would have got a good video of it, but that's the second time I vacuumed. Still pulled up a lot of stuff. And it looked like they had pets in here, so it doesn't smell like they had pets, but by the look of all the debris, and it looked like I had a lot of hair. So definitely gonna treat this for pet treatment. So I'm gonna have to let the customer know the price is